Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by diagnosing. Open the game log and note any error codes so you know what to fix. Once done, compare those codes to expected behavior and check system specs against minimum and recommended requirements. This narrows causes quickly. Make sure the game build, DLC, and active mods match the server or offline version, because mismatches create physics and asset errors. Finally, capture a short reproducible test case so you can confirm fixes actually resolve the failure. Now you repair corrupted content and conflicts. Run the platform's validate tool to restore missing or damaged files, which fixes many crashes. If mods are present, disable them and test, because a single incompatible mod often causes runtime issues. Re-enable mods one at a time to isolate the culprit. Update GPU drivers and any physics middleware since those interact with vehicle simulation. Adjust graphics and simulation fidelity to reproduce stable behavior, while finish by rebuilding caches, resetting corrupted config files, and running complete route tests so you confirm system-level stability. Once stable, apply official patches or hotfixes, then stress test for 30 to 60 minutes to catch intermittent issues. If problems persist, gather full logs, save game, mod lists, and a reproducible step list. Include timestamps and error codes when submitting a bug report. One key troubleshooting tip: if behavior changes unpredictably, test on a clean install to rule out environment contamination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.